Planning a beach day ensures maximum enjoyment, whether it's a family outing or a solo escape. Deciding on the right beach is crucial. Consider activities, amenities, and crowd levels to suit your preferences. Always check the weather forecast and tides to avoid unpleasant surprises. Understanding the UV index helps keep your skin protected, while knowing tide timings can enhance your exploration plans. Timing your visit can shape your experience. Early mornings offer serenity and fewer crowds, while afternoons provide ideal swimming conditions. Evenings are perfect for sunsets or permitted bonfires. Packing essentials is key. Sunscreen, sunglasses, and wide-brimmed hats for sun protection. Bring swimsuits, cover-ups, and easy footwear to stay comfortable throughout the day. A cooler with ice packs keeps refreshments fresh. Hydrate with water and enjoy snacks like nuts or sandwiches. If allowed, a portable grill can elevate your meal options. Comfort is enhanced with beach chairs or mats. Music lovers can bring Bluetooth speakers, while books or magazines offer quiet entertainment. Don't forget toys or snorkeling gear for fun. Capture memories with tech essentials like a portable charger and waterproof phone case. Photography enthusiasts may need a camera or GoPro, and helpful apps can track tides or deliver food. Safety is paramount. A first aid kit, swim safety gear, and awareness of beach rules are essential. Carry trash bags to leave the beach as pristine as you found it. Ultimately, arriving early secures the best spot. Stay hydrated, respect quiet zones, and balance capturing memories with being present to create a perfect beach day experience.